Problem 4-92. Solve the system of equations at right algebraically and explain what the solution tells you about the graphs of the two equations. First equation we have there is 3x plus 2 equals y. And the second equation is negative 9x plus 3y equals 11. You can solve this using any method you'd like to. I'm going to go ahead and use substitution since my y is already isolated here. I'm going to take everything that it equals and substitute it in for y in the other equation. So let's take it and let's do that. We've got negative 9x plus 3 times our quantity of 3x plus 2, and that should equal 11. As we take it here and we solve it, let's simplify by distributing our 3 through. We should have negative 9x plus 9x plus 6 equals 11. Negative 9x plus 9x, when we add those together, they're additive inverses, so they're going to give us a sum of 0, and that leaves us with 6 equals 11. Well, is this true or not? Does 6 equal 11? Not where I come from, so this is a false statement, so therefore we have no solutions. But why? We have no solutions because these are actually going to be parallel lines. So let's just go ahead and write that in there. No solutions because lines are parallel. Now, if you think about it, there's some other ways that we could check here to verify if this solution makes sense or is true. Let's take our two equations. If we wanted to put this one into slope-intercept form, we could say negative 9x plus 3y equals 11. So we'd add our 9x to each side. So we'd have 3y is equal to positive 9x plus 11. And when we divide each side by 3, we get y is equal to 3x plus 11 thirds. So when we compare our slope in our two equations here, actually let's rewrite our other one down underneath here. We had y was equal to 3x plus 2. We can see here that we've got the same slope. But more importantly, we have the same slope and our y-intercepts are different. If we had the same y-intercept, we'd have infinite solutions here, and this would have been a true statement. So it says here, to explain what the solution tells you about the graphs of the two equations, well, we have no solutions because the lines are parallel. So therefore, these are not going to intersect at all. Let's actually add that in there. There is no intersection. That is problem 4-92. If you have questions, make sure you ask your teacher there, but when you try to solve it here, you'll see here that everything cancels out. You're left with no variables at all. And since that statement is false, that means that we're going to end up with parallel lines. There is no intersection points. Thanks for listening. Hope this helped.